Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are enjoying learning with easy dentistry. If you like our videos, please put on the thumbs icon, and if you understand the videos, please subscribe to our channel, and also please don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you get a notification of each uploaded lecture. So today's topic is Cotrimoxazole. In this lecture, we will be studying the introduction of Cotrimoxazole, spectrum of activity, resistance, adverse effects and uses of Cotrimoxazole. So let's start with today's lecture. First, the introduction. Cotrimoxazole is a combination of trimethoprim and sulfonamides in a fixed dose combination. If you have not yet watched our lectures on sulfonamides, I recommend you all to watch that lecture first for better understanding of Cotrimoxazole. So, the link of sulfonamides is provided in the description box. Go and watch it. So now coming to today's lecture, trimethoprim is a diaminopyrimidine related to anti-malarial drug pyrimethamine. This drug trimethoprim, it selectively inhibits the bacterial enzyme DHFRase or the dihydrofolate reductase enzyme. Now, Cotrimoxazole, it causes sequential blockage of folate metabolism. So, this is a tabular or diagrammatic representation of flow chart on how the Cotrimoxazole it inhibits the folate metabolism. The para-aminobenzoic acid is converted into dihydrofolic acid with the help of enzyme folate synthase. Now, sulfonamide blocks this process. Now, DHFA is converted into THFA or trihydrofolic acid with the help of enzyme dihydrofolate reductase, and trimethoprim, it blocks this mechanism. So, a combination of sulfonamide and trimethoprim, that is Cotrimoxazole, it inhibits the folate metabolism. Now, this trimethoprim is 50,000 times more active against bacterial DHFRase enzyme. So, the human folate metabolism is not affected. This drug do not have any effect on the human cells. It only has effect on the bacterial cells. So, the human folate metabolism is not affected by this drug. Now, sulfonamide when used alone, it is bacteriostatic. When trimethoprim is used alone, it is also bacteriostatic. But a combination of sulfonamide and trimethoprim, that is the Cotrimoxazole, is bactericidal. Now, sulfonamides and trimethoprim both have same T-half, that is around 10 hours. So, they are combined together. Now, the optimal synergy of these two drugs, sulfonamides and trimethoprim, is obtained at a concentration of 20:1. 20 of sulfonamides and 1% concentration of trimethoprim. Now, this plasma concentration of 20:1 of the sulfonamide and trimethoprim is attained when a dose is given in a ratio of 5:1, 5 for the sulfonamide and 1 for the trimethoprim. So, dose ratio needed is 5:1, which attains a plasma concentration of 20:1. Now, trimethoprim, it crosses the blood-brain barrier and also it crosses the placenta, while sulfonamide do not. Trimethoprim has rapid absorption in the body while sulfonamide have slow absorption. Trimethoprim is 40% bounded to plasma proteins, while sulfonamide is 65% bounded to plasma proteins. Now, the spectrum of action of Cotrimoxazole. The antibacterial spectrum of sulfonamide and trimethoprim, they overlap with each other. The combination of these two drugs is effective against Salmonella typhi, Serratia, Klebsiella, Enterobacter, Yersinia, and Enterocolitica. And many sulfonamide strains are also effective against Streptococcus aureus, Streptococcus pyogenes, Shigella, E. coli, H. influenzae, Gonococci, and Meningococci. Now, the resistance to Cotrimoxazole. The resistance to trimethoprim is mutational or plasmid mediated, while the resistance to combination of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim is very slow to develop. The adverse reactions caused by these drugs is nausea, vomiting, stomatitis, headache, folate deficiency, leading to megaloblastic anemia and various blood dyscrasia. Cotrimoxazole is selectively avoided in pregnancy because it has an anti-folate action. These drugs are said to be teratogenic and causes methemoglobinemia and hemolysis in the neonates. Now, uses of Cotrimoxazole. It is used in tonsillitis, pharyngitis, sinusitis, otitis media, and bronchitis. So here we complete with the discussion on Cotrimoxazole, which is an alternative to the beta-lactam antibiotics, and it is used in the treatment of chancroid dysentery, urinary tract infection, and diarrhea. So, next lecture will be on quinolones, which is another important antimicrobial agent. That's all for now. Happy studying.